So what you trying to say? If I don't wear the makeup, I'm ugly? Let me know. It could be a me thing. It's always a me thing. You know what I mean? Howdy, hey baes! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Evie Ojwang. Today I'm going to talk about how to prep your skin before wearing makeup. Now, you know there's a million and one tutorials on how to do your makeup on YouTube, but I don't really see a lot of tutorials on how to prep your skin. So we're gonna get into that, and if that's something that, you know, interests you and you wanna look flawless without looking like a cake, then keep on watching. I hate to say this, but it's literally March and I'm saying Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Life has been lifing me and I'm just so happy that I'm back on YouTube filming. As you may or may not know, I have been stolen away by TikTok. I'm having so much fun there. So if you haven't followed me on TikTok yet, please follow me on TikTok. I'll leave my handle down below as well as my Instagram. First things first, you want to make sure that you are cleansing your skin properly before doing your makeup. Cleansing your skin is top tier priority, because if your skin is dirty and you're putting makeup on top of that and you want to be like bomb, you're just not gonna be bomb. It's just not gonna happen for you. I'm sorry, sweetie. You need to wash your face. So how to wash your face is very important. Cleansing your skin is really important. And as long as it's really on point with your skin type, then you wanna get with a cleanser that's gonna be for oily skin, or if you have dry skin, or even combination or normal. So cleanse your face and make sure that is on point. Now, in between cleansing and hydration and like sunscreen, you could do your other steps like, you know, toner, a treatment serum, or the likings, but hydration is number one. Like, it's so important. The first moisturizer that I really like for underneath makeup is by Weleda. And Weleda, they have the Skin Food. Let's see if it gets focused real quick. This is the light version of their Skin Food, and I really like it because number one, it's a plant extract formula, so it has a lot of botanical ingredients in it, and number two, just the texture of this cream is absolutely top tier. Like, I am telling you, like, it's so moisturizing, but it doesn't leave your face like greasy. Like, you see my hand, how it's just looking emollient, but I don't look like I dipped my hand in oil. That's gonna be your face, okay? So I love a moisturizer that is light for daytime, something that is going to be sitting underneath your makeup but not making your makeup not last as long because the oils in the makeup. Makeup covers your skin, so it kind of like protects your skin from the elements of like the weather, but your skin itself needs a barrier before the makeup. Does that make sense? So the moisturizer is gonna be making sure that your skin is really hydrated and ready to receive the makeup, so that over time, as your makeup settles into your face, you're not having like fine lines and like creasing and all of that stuff, because you wanna make sure your skin doesn't produce sebum, basically oils, the natural oils, and make you look greasy and like a BP oil spill by 11 a.m. in the day. We don't want that. Weleda Skin Food Light Nourishing Cream, top tier, really love it for before makeup. Another moisturizer that I really love is from CeraVe. This is their moisturizing cream. Now, CeraVe is like dermatologist touted, super good for having ceramides and barrier repair. So if you have really dry skin or even normal skin, even like compromised skin, like your skin's sensitive right now, either to like, you know, rosacea, or like you're using retinol right now or retinoid, and you want to make sure that if your skin is like peeling, that's under control and the flakes don't show in your makeup, using something like CeraVe will really help to keep your skin intact and really moisturize, so that way when you're putting makeup on top, it's not like you're gonna clog your pores. And both of these moisturizers are non-comedogenic, so they're not gonna clog your pores. This one doesn't have fragrance. CeraVe is kind of known for just like having ceramides and hyaluronic acid. As you know, hyaluronic acid, or you may not know, holds at least 1,000 times its weight in water. So it's really good for attracting water to your skin and holding that there to retain it. And also it's good for slowing down the process of moisture loss. So you want to make sure that your skin is like not moisturized for 5 minutes, but is moisturized throughout the whole day. So I really love those two that I have personally for underneath your makeup. Two other moisturizers I love for underneath your makeup is one by Bobbi Brown. I'll link it on either the right or the left of me. That's a really bomb like base cream underneath your makeup. Literally, chef's kiss, super bomb. Another one that's really good under makeup is Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream. Absolutely top tier. It costs $1, but honestly, don't you want to look like $1,000,000? Like, you gotta just invest in your skin, because great skin means amazing, great makeup. So make sure you invest. But if you don't want to spend, I think like at least $60 for the Magic Cream, Bobbi Brown is like less expensive, then you'll be just fine with like a CeraVe situation or a Weleda situation. So that is your options there. Now, another trick that I think is super good, especially when you're doing like bright under eyes or like heavy concealer that's like flawless under your eyes, eye patches. So I have these eye patches right here from Good Molecules. These are the caffeine energizing eye patches, and they're hydrogel. So basically these eye patches go underneath your eyes and you leave them there for 10 to 15 minutes. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like. As you can see, that's the gel, and there's about 30 pairs in here, so 60 overall. And the ingredients are so good under your eyes and so moisturizing. So what I like to do is that after I do my base and my moisturizer, I love putting an eye patch on either eye underneath, and then I'll start with my eye makeup first. So I'll do my eyeshadow, my eyebrows, eyeliner, lashes, and then when I'm done with my eye makeup, then I'll take off the eye patches and then I'll do the rest of my face. So basically the logic behind this is that while the eye patches are under your eyes, when you're doing your eye makeup first, you're prepping your under eyes to be ready to receive concealer. So any concealer you put underneath is gonna go on super smooth. It's going to not settle into fine lines as much. And also when you set it with powder, it's not gonna look cakey because your skin's already super moisturized, and you won't have to use like that heavy baking method to set your under eyes and have it last all day. Let me know in the comment section below if you want to see how I do this and how I achieve a perfect under eye, because I feel like I got a good routine going. I'm not wearing any makeup now, so the skin is skinning, but I'm telling you, get an eye patch moment and put it under your eyes before your eye makeup, and you will not regret how you feel when you do a full face, because your under eyes won't be itching and your under eyes won't be looking cakey after 2 hours. Because it's one thing to look really good on camera when you have a full face of makeup, but we want to look good in real life as well. So skin prep ties into how you look flawless in real life, and you go from, instead of people saying, oh my God, your makeup is so pretty, it's so beautiful, to saying, you're so pretty and you're so beautiful. Let me know if you know what I'm talking about with the difference, because for me, I always feel a way when someone tells me my makeup looks bomb, but I don't look bomb. Like, so what you trying to say? If I don't wear the makeup, I'm ugly? Let me know. It could be a me thing. It's always a me thing. But I know that I feel extra good and juicy in my heart when I know someone's complimenting my skin or how I look more than the makeup itself. You know what I mean? Anyway, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if this was helpful for you. Let me know what you do to prep your skin for makeup. If you even heard of this skin prep, like, do you just wash your face and you just put foundation on straight from the word go? Like, what is your routine? Let me know in the comments. I hope you have a lovely, marvelous day or night wherever you are. And always remember that you glow for a living because you're living within, beyond skin deep. Bye.